Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel CarCrazeUSA. Today we're diving into something really special, the 2025 BMW Z4 M40i with a manual transmission. If you're a fan of three-pedal sports cars and love the thrill of driving, this might just be the Roadster for you. But here's the catch, manuals are disappearing fast. So let's see what makes this one worth your attention. Now, first things first. The Z4 M40i is powered by a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engine, producing 382 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque. That's the same power as the automatic version and the Toyota Supra. But what sets the manual apart? Let's talk about the Handschalter package, or as it translates from German, hand switch. This package gives you the control of a 6-speed manual transmission, an experience that many driving enthusiasts cherish. The manual transmission is paired with unique shift linkages, a stiffer anti-roll bar, and sportier calibrations for the steering and dampers. Plus, it benefits from a beefier rear differential. And let's not forget those staggered wheels, 20 inches at the back and 19 in the front, giving it that aggressive stance. Now, living with the Z4 isn't just about the thrill. These leather seats are adjustable, making it comfortable enough for longer drives. The trunk space? Surprisingly decent for a Roadster. It can handle a weekend's worth of luggage without any trouble. But I do have one minor gripe. The cup holder access requires a little maneuvering. Not the end of the world, but worth mentioning. Let's get to the good stuff, driving this beauty. Launch control here is all about the old-school feel. We found that launching from around 3,200 RPM gives you a nice chirp without losing control. Just keep in mind, the gear shifts have a long throw, and it can be a little tricky to hit the right gear sometimes. But once you get the hang of it, the manual really shines. On the track, the Z4 delivers a solid performance. The stopping power is impressive, with a firm pedal feel and great heat dissipation. It performed a series of 60 to 0 miles per hour stops, maintaining a short distance of just 103 feet. And during hard cornering, it handles understeer well, rewarding skilled drivers with a bit of playful oversteer on throttle. If you know what you're doing, this car can definitely drift. Now, how does the Z4 stack up against the competition? Compared to the automatic version, the manual is 164 pounds lighter and still manages a respectable 0 to 60 time of 4.1 seconds. The Toyota Supra manual is a bit lighter and quicker in stopping distance, but it doesn't offer that convertible experience. And then there's the Porsche 718 Boxster. While it excels in handling and power, the Z4 has it beat in the 0 to 60 sprint. So, is the manual Z4 worth it? Absolutely, if you love the feel of shifting gears and want a convertible. This is one of the few stick-shift sports cars left on the market. If you're leaning more toward luxury or performance without the manual thrill, there are alternatives out there. But if you're like me, you'll want to check the box for the $3,500 Handschalter package and embrace the driving experience. Thanks for joining me on this review of the 2025 BMW Z4 M40i manual. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more automotive content, and let us know in the comments. Would you choose the manual Z4 or stick with the automatic? Until next time, happy driving!